Alright, this is the unboxing of a new video card that's been out for a few years, but it's new to me. I know it's old to the rest of you. But for me, this is the video card that I've had for almost 10 years now. This is a 4870X2. It's an AMD, ATI Radeon HD 4870X2. As you can see, it has two video cards in it, so you didn't have to do any kind of SLI or cross setup with multiple video cards, even though you could with this one. But this video card here is a monster, as you can tell. It had two giant heat sinks, used 6-pin and 8-pin. It's a very old video card. You can still find them online for about $300 to $400 in some places. It's ridiculous. This is a powerhouse. The reason why I'm changing it out is because it's 10 years old. I bought it in 2009. So actually 2019 it'll be 10 years old. So I bought this in 2009 for almost $500. It's lasted me 10 years. It's a long time for a video card. But I want to do some video editing, but this won't do it because I have a 4K video, which it can handle, kind of. But more importantly, I've got 360 video. I actually have a Yi 360 camera, and I've been doing a lot of video editing with this. But I've been using my laptop, which has a Core i7. It's got a 860M. So the graphics card on that can handle video editing, but this monster cannot. So I'm upgrading to a new video card that's new to me. It's not too expensive. I just paid, I think, around $350 for the new video card. It's nothing fancy. It's been out for 2 years. It's not the most powerful thing out there. It's definitely faster than this is right now. This was the king of the hill when I bought it back in the day, but today's new monster computers are between $600 and $1,000. I'm not going to spend that much. $300 on a video card, $350 on a video card is about what I'm willing to do. So, today is a new video card for me, but like I said, it's been out for a while. It's a new GeForce GTX1070. I know I'm going from AMD ATI to NVIDIA. It just seems wrong. I've been an AMD fanboy for a long time, but today is the day I actually switch over to NVIDIA. And the primary reason for switching over to NVIDIA is because I've been using Adobe Premiere for my video editing and a lot of After Effects, and it can utilize those CUDA cores really, really well. So I need something that can do video editing very well. And that's what I went with this for. It's like I said, this ASUS GeForce GTX 1070. It's an overclock edition. It's got 8 GB of GDDR5. It's got GPU tweaks on everything like that. This is going to be a general basic unboxing. You've probably seen this box before if you've done any research into this. Pretty much anything and everything looks the same online as what I'm going to be showing you today. And I know my unboxing is probably 2 years old plus because this video card has been out for a while. But the NVIDIA 2 series, the RTX series right now, is just excessive, and it doesn't give you a bunch. It doesn't give you many benefits over this. So I just kind of went with this today. So I'm hoping this lasts me another close to 10 years. I kind of expect it will. So let's take a look and see what's in the box now. So, as usual, NVIDIA, I've purchased a couple small NVIDIA video cards before. Nothing quite this expensive, but it's pretty fancy. So, here's the box. Nothing else on any other sides, just that. And slides up on the front. Open it up. And you got some more foam here. And then there's a graphics card. Ooh, fancy. So we'll just take it out. And inside the box, of course, is your setup instructions and your CD with all the software in it. I know most people don't like the CD. I probably will use it just to get the ASUS specific tools that come with it, like the GPU tweaker here, and ASUS ARPR. So, but let's get to the video card. There we go. Alright, so it comes in this anti-static bag, like all video cards do. Ta-da! Look at that. Just for comparison's sake, here's my old ASUS, the monster. So it's a little taller than my old video card, but that's okay because my desktop has plenty of space in it. Flipping over to the front here, you can see you're upgrading to quite a few additional setups. Before it was just DVI. Now we've got HDMI, DVI, and DisplayPort. Let's see if I can get those off. I know I can. There we go. HDMI. Since I have DVI set up currently, let's see if I can get that off. Because I have HDMI too. There we go, it's pretty much going to be my setup. I don't have DisplayPort or use DisplayPort right now. I'll be getting a different monitor later on. And I'll be utilizing that for now. Let's keep the cap on it, just like I've done with this one. So, there we go. There's the two video cards. And you can see that is pretty enormous. Like, that's the heat sink versus these two littler heat sinks. Still has SLI there. This one's AMD, so it doesn't have SLI. You can see my old video card was much longer because it had two graphics processors on it. But what's nice about this one, that I'm kind of excited about, is the power consumption. Because as you see, before I had 4 and 3, now I've just got 4. I'm super excited about that. It means lower power consumption. Here's the thing, during the winter, when my computer room was really cold, I would literally turn on my desktop just to warm up my room. That was it. This monster right here just idled at about 60 degrees. 6 degrees Celsius. So it warmed up my room just fine. During the summer, it was almost unusable. I'd have to bring in an air conditioner specifically for my office just so I could play in here if I use this video card. So, that is old news now. And today, we now have a GTX 1070. This one here, just giving you a couple of different stats. I thought it was on the box. I guess it's not, but it's over a gigahertz of speed. I think it's 1.5 gigahertz, pretty close, which is great because this thing I could overclock it to about 800 megahertz for both cores. So I'm getting twice the speed on one core, plus it's PCI 3.0, 3.1, and it's modernized. So I'm excited to get this put in and test it out. So maybe I'll show you some stuff on that. Maybe not. We'll see. But there we go. There's my GeForce, my ASUS GeForce GTX 1070.